Hello my friends, and welcome back to another episode of Happy Power Hour Cocktails and Clean with me. If you missed my first episode, I will have that linked up in the cards above, but what we're going to be doing is setting our clock to 1 hour, and we're going to see how much we can get cleaned in an hour. But this is also a happy hour, so each and every time I do one of these videos, I'm going to do a new drink. Now mind you, I'm not a bartender. I don't know what I'm doing. Most of the time I'll just Google something very easy, or I'll take some advice from you guys. I've gotten a lot of really good recommendations that I'm going to start to be doing here soon, but I need to kind of build up my my bar inventory. But I wanted to do something that sounded just so good to me. I saw this online, and it's actually called ranch water. So all it basically is 2 ounces of tequila. Now I'm not a big tequila girl, but we're gonna do it because I want to. Okay, so we're gonna take 2 ounces of tequila. We are going to do half of a lime, but I'll probably do a little bit more than half because I really like lime. And then we're going to top that off with some Topo Chico, and I've got my glass with my ice here, and we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up, and then we're going to have something very good and refreshing to sip on while we get our chores done around the house for the next hour. So as always, drink responsibly. If you don't drink, then that's perfectly fine. Grab some water, juice, coffee, tea, whatever you'd like to do. Get some cleaning done with me. We're here to have fun. This is something that really took off, and you guys really seem to enjoy this, and I'm so happy because I just wanted to do something different on my channel. So this is what we're going to try to do twice a month, maybe every other Friday. This is what we're going to be doing on Fridays. So I'm going to go ahead and get my drink together, and then we are going to get started. So I hope you're ready, and I hope you are here to get motivated because I'm excited. So let's go ahead and put this together and see what we think. Okay, so super simple. I ended up doing the whole lime, and it calls for 2 ounces of tequila, which is actually 1/4 of a cup. I don't have any shot glasses. I don't know why, but I don't. And then if you are not familiar with Topo Chico, it's basically just a mineral water. It's like a kind of like, it gives it that seltzer type feel. But we're gonna taste it. It smells delicious because I can smell all of the lime. Hopefully it tastes like a margarita. Kind of. That's really good. Okay, that's really good. You guys are definitely gonna have to try this. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had ranch water. I will leave all of the ingredients and things like that in the description box, so check it out. But I've got some things I gotta get done, so we're gonna hurry up and get our timer set and see how much we can get done in an hour. I'm actually gonna try to get everything done before Ruben gets home. He's at the gym right now, so that's gonna give me like the motivation to get it all done. So Bodie is excited. Bodie's excited here too. I've actually got to do some vacuuming. I need to fill up his food container. I've just got a lot of stuff to do, so we're gonna get to it. Enjoy. Again, if you are 21 years or older, bottoms up. I appreciate you being here, so let's go.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
So we are just chugging along on this power hour. Honestly, I think with some good music and a good drink in your hand, you can get so much more stuff done than you normally would. And poor Bodie is extremely used to me walking around the house dancing and singing, so it doesn't face him one single bit. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my stovetop and my countertops while I'm in here. And also these salt and pepper shakers that I have, I love them, but Ruben does not, and I totally get it. They are small and we're constantly having to refill them. So while I was at Sam's the last time, I just got these tall grinders. Hopefully that will make it a little bit easier for us. And I'm just going to take those salt and pepper shakers that I had downstairs. I'm not going to get rid of them, but I'm going to go ahead and wipe down this stovetop and my countertops and move on to the next thing.
I can feel your heart pound beating like a kick drum. Love it when I'm this drunk. Ooh, yeah, like a firefly burning for you all night. Love it when I'm this high. Ooh, yeah, like a boom boom bomb, it rocks my heart. Boom boom shake, tear me apart, baby. Your boom boom bomb, it rocks my world right, right. Hey, 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 hey.
So while I'm here in the bedroom, I really didn't have a whole lot to do, so I just wanted to go ahead and vacuum while I was in here and kind of just straighten up the bed for when we were ready to go to bed that evening. I didn't want to do a whole lot, and surprisingly, I didn't have any laundry to do on this evening. Otherwise, I would have been doing that, but that definitely saved me a lot of time. And as I was sitting there looking at the time that I had left, I think about 20 minutes at this point, I was like, okay, what else can I get done? And I decided I was going to go ahead and hit my basement stairs. That's just one thing that is never on my mind to do unless I'm coming up or down the stairs and I'm like, these are so gross, I have to do this right now. But then I just never think about it again. So I decided with this time that I had left over, that's exactly what I was going to do. And Bodie is always happy if we're going to do something with the basement because he loves to just go down there and run. So I let him do that while I was getting everything vacuumed up, which was good because I will show you how much dog hair I got off of these stairs. And honestly, Bodie probably doesn't even go down these stairs, but maybe once every couple of weeks. We try to keep him upstairs because that's where Ruben's mom is, and we just don't want her to have dog hair all over, so we try to keep him contained upstairs when possible. But you'll see here in just a second exactly how much dirt and dog hair I got off of those.
Yeah, anyone will love a good boy, and it takes one to tell who's bad girl, bad girl. Yeah, all you really want's a good girl, and all I really crave is bad boy, dynamite. You're loving my 3 a.m. mind. We can do it right, we can do it right. Fire and ice, yeah, hands down, you're my favorite kind. Give me one more time, 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 give me one more time.
Okay, you guys, so I actually have about 10 minutes left on my timer, and to be honest with you, I don't want to do anything else. I got done what I wanted to get done, and that's the whole thing about a power hour. You just try to see how much you can get done in an hour, and on my channel here, we're just going to get done what we want to get done. I got the dishes done, I got the kitchen clean, I actually got the steps vacuumed, which haven't been done in so long, so I'm glad I thought about that and went ahead and did it. Living room's picked up, the bed is ready for when we go to bed. It's actually 8 o'clock in the evening now, so I'm really happy with what I got done. I hope you guys got motivated. I hope you enjoyed all of the little dance parties because, you know, that's just how I am. I really did enjoy the drink. It was very light and refreshing. If you guys try it, and if you have Instagram, please tag me in it. Let me know that you did. I thought it was very good, and I'm not a big tequila girl, but I thought it was very good. So what I would like for you guys to do, there's a lot of people that watch me here that don't have Instagram, and I've actually done like a little poll thing over there recently. But if you don't have Instagram and if you have a drink suggestion that you would like for me to try, leave it in the comments below. I am going to start doing these suggestions and tagging people and giving credit to my subscribers and everybody else when I start to do these videos. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by leaving me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. If you don't enjoy it, let me know that too. I just thought it was a very good idea. It was something different, and the very first one that I did, you guys enjoyed, so I wanted to bring it back. Bodie is ready to go outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and make me another ranch water. I'm gonna take Bodie outside, enjoy the rest of my evening. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got motivated. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to subscribe before you go if you're not already subscribed. But for now, I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
One more time.